money make me emotional. Busting my medulla. Chatting on Instagram, IG. Now you say we could see later. I call you, but you know, call me back, mama. I remember my class teacher, but right now all I'm doing is life. I see the